Meaning of decor.
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 Decor. Decor refers to the style, design, and arrangement of objects and furnishings in a particular space. It involves choosing and coordinating colors, patterns, textures, and other decorative elements to create a visually appealing and functional environment. The result of a good decor is a space that reflects the personality and taste of its occupants while also enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal and practicality of the space. A well-decorated space can promote relaxation, productivity, and comfort, and can also contribute to a positive mood and sense of well-being.